Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. HUSQVARNA 435E, and it has the 2 there. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything, I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers. They want more picture, it's not enough, and the one sound. Also gonna do a video in Spanish, and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente, por favor, esperen. Well, you know me, I always break these babies. I don't know why they always me. Look at that, I broke 2 of them. My bad, I know you're gonna kill me. Well, at least you got 1 left. Alright, always remember you gotta check this here, because remember we're gonna give it a shot. I think I have this one. I haven't looked for it, but I'm gonna look for that right now. I'm gonna put it there real quick. If you're new in my store, remember I take out the muffler, take out everything like that. We're gonna try to give it a shot to see where we are. It looks fine. The flywheel so far it looks okay. We're gonna give it a test. I see tape here. We're gonna check what inventions is being done here. Let's check the gas. That's a little bit. It doesn't smell old. That's a good news. We're gonna try without one. I'm gonna throw a little bit by the top, but we need to flush all that. Let me see here. The oil. No, oil is empty. Okay. That's not usually. It's always oil empty. All right. We're gonna start here. Everything with acceleration is good. This is the only one that was left out of the massacre that I did. Okay. Everything looks good here with it's open and closing. I don't see no problem. We got a clutch here. Let's see if we can lock it. This is locked. I don't know if you need the other one to lock completely. I think yeah, because this is the ones that come inside here. Yeah. You have it there. Carburetor. I don't know if I put it aside. Yeah. Guys, remember I'm trying to be the honest I can. Like that, show you everything. Like that, when you receive the machine, you know, we're on the same page and you can be honest with me. I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix it, that's on you, not on me, because I'm selling it for parts. Alright, you can see here already. Right here is okay. I don't see a scratch. Maybe all this is dirty, but it can be a scratch too, but I don't think so that much. I'm a salesperson, you're not gonna find excuses everywhere. Like the ring there, it doesn't look scratched to me that much, you see what I mean? And maybe it's just dirty on the side, it's the gas has been there. Oh, I hope it's that. If it's not, anyways, I don't care, because I sell for part, but it's just something that I should notice now. Because it makes sense why on the bottom it's not, and it's perfect. Only the ones that know about this understand where I'm coming from. Guys, I don't know what else to show you. We're gonna give it a shot to see where we at. Alright, let's hit it. Yeah, my wife got me drinking all this red and green and stuff. I think she's trying to kill me a new way. Before it was with rat poison, now they invent these things with vegetables and stuff. But anyway, they're gonna get to us anyway somehow. We're losing this fire, my friend. Okay, we're gonna look for this baby. Sorry I'm taking a while, it's the first one, you know me, when it's the first one I'll get a little slow. But I get better. Alright, it's not this one. Ay, coño. Ay, mira. Tampoco. Not this one either. Let me see. No. You know what? I don't think I have that one. You believe that? Unbelievable brake tool. You know what? No, I don't think I have this one, guys. No, I don't have it. That means we're gonna give it a shot. My bad. Sorry, but I have a lot of them, but I gotta get more organized. I have a few boxes there, maybe it's there, I don't know. My bad, it's okay. Alright, we're not gonna give it a test. This looks good, look, it's coming back. I think what he got lost is the... Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, it broke, but look, it's coming back, that's a good news. Alright, we're just gonna leave it like that. I'm not even gonna... Anyways, you guys will buy from me, I don't know how it works. I couldn't test the coil, but we can do it the old-fashioned way because that's one of the things that I care the more. We're gonna use the... Okay. Since you guys got me off guard, we're doing everything live. Right there. Okay, we're gonna do a test on the spark plug. Alright. Just always make sure you check it. It looks good so far. You can give it a little clean up, but for what I want to do, I think it's fine. Make sure it's on, whatever on it is around here. I don't even know what it is, but I guess it's around here. We're gonna try. Yeah, alright, coil works. Alright, so already spot, coil works. That's a good way to do it when you don't have that. Alright, we got it. Any question, guys? I'm here. I know you can try to start it, but that's not good because if this has a problem, you can break it. I would not recommend to do that. Once this broke, it's a mess. That's why I stopped doing that back. But at least we know the coil works and you can see the inside, the way everything is looking. Not bad for parts, okay? Any question, guys? I'm here. I'm gonna put today like 4. Please be on the lookout. I have a lot of machines that I'm going to put, alright? Thank you. Thank you. Hola mi gente, que me dice la raza, que se una la raza. Bueno, ya saben, no quiero, ya por lo menos saben que la bobina funciona. Veo que no le iba a hacer una prueba. El lío es que no tengo la ladera, tengo un reguero, sé que tengo por ahí, pero no las encuentro ahora. Entonces está hecho un poco regadito, le voy a decir la verdad, ¿no? Entonces lo voy a dejar así. De todas formas, ustedes saben que ya más o menos le hice la prueba que la bobina funciona, vieron cómo está el pistón, vieron cómo está la maquinita, ya más o menos ustedes los que saben, que siempre están comprándome. De todas formas, acuérdense que yo vendo para parte, eso a mí no me altera el producto, porque si usted trata de arreglar esta máquina está cometiendo un error, ok, porque eso está en ustedes, yo no, yo vendo para parte, ok. Bueno mi gente, ya saben que se una la raza.